Hello everyone and welcome to Sam's English to French Lab. Let's strengthen our French together by learning, listening, repeating, thinking, and practicing. In today's lesson, we are going to learn essential French greetings. In French, they are called Salutations en français. We will learn them in two parts. First, saying hello in French. Second, saying goodbye in French. So, let's get started. I'm sure you've heard this one before. Bonjour. It means hello or good morning. Use it during the daytime, until about 5 p.m. But before we move further, don't forget to follow one of the golden formulas of my lab, repeating. I don't want you to just listen. I want you to say every word out loud with me. This simple method will improve your pronunciation. Repeat after me. Bonjour. Bonjour. For example, Bonjour monsieur means, good day sir. Repeat after me. Bonjour monsieur. Bonjour monsieur. Next is bonsoir. It means good evening. It is used to greet someone in the evening. It's formal and respectful. Let's pronounce it together. Bonsoir. Bonsoir. For example, bonsoir madame means, good evening madam. Bonsoir madame. Bonsoir madame. Next we have salut. It can be used to say both hello and goodbye. It is casual and friendly. You can use it with people you know well, for example with friends and classmates. Let's practice together. Salut. Salut. For example, Salut Paul means, hi Paul. Salut Paul. Salut Paul. Next is coucou. It means hey there. It's a friendly and casual, often used with children, close friends, or loved ones. Repeat after me. Coucou. Coucou. For example, coucou les amis means, hey friends. Coucou les amis. Coucou les amis. Now we have allô. It means hello and is used when answering the phone. Say it with me. Allô. Allô. For example, allô. Qui est à l'appareil means, hello. Who's calling? Allô. Qui est à l'appareil? Allô. Qui est à l'appareil? Let's continue with ça va. It means how's it going? And it's a common informal question. It can be used both as a greeting and to ask how someone is feeling. Repeat after me. Ça va? Ça va? For example, salut. Ça va? Means, hi. All good, or hi. How's it going? Let's have another example. Ça va? Here it means, are you okay? Following that, we have, comment ça va? Means, how are you? It is slightly more complete than ça va, but still informal. Let's have an example.
Bonjour. Comment ça va?
Très bien, merci. As you may have noticed, très bien means very well, and merci means thank you. Listen carefully and try practicing this dialogue.
Bonjour. Comment ça va?
Très bien, merci. Et toi?
Bien, merci.
Let's move forward with comment allez-vous? It means how are you? And it is used in polite or formal situations. For example with teachers and strangers. On the other hand, comment vas-tu? This is an informal version, used when speaking to a friend, classmate, or someone your age. You can also say, formally, vous allez bien? Or informally, to someone you know well, tu vas bien? Now, let's practice the pronunciation together. Comment allez-vous? Comment allez-vous? Comment vas-tu? Comment vas-tu? Vous allez bien? Vous allez bien? Tu vas bien? Tu vas bien? Great! You've learned the questions. Now I'll show you how these greetings are used in simple dialogues. Here's the first dialogue.
Bonjour madame, comment allez-vous?
Je vais bien, Merci. Et vous?
Oui, super. Merci. Salut Marie. Comment vas-tu?
Très bien, merci. Et toi?
Ça va bien aussi, merci.
Bonjour Arthur. Vous allez bien?
Pas très bien aujourd'hui? Coucou. Tu vas bien?
Comme si, comme ça, je suis un peu fatigué. Comme si, comme ça. Means so-so. For example, so-so. I'm a bit tired. The last one on our list is quoi de neuf? It means what's new, and it is used casually, for example, with friends or family members. Repeat after me. Quoi de neuf? Quoi de neuf? For example,
Quoi de neuf? Pas mal.
now it's time for the second part of today's lesson, how to say goodbye in French. First we have au revoir. It means goodbye, and is used when saying goodbye in both formal and everyday situations. Let's practice together. Au revoir. Au revoir. Next we have à bientôt. It means see you soon, and is used when you say goodbye while planning to see the person again soon. Pronounce it with me. À bientôt. À bientôt. Moving forward with à demain. It means see you tomorrow, and is used when you're leaving someone you'll see the next day. Repeat after me. À demain. À demain. Now we have à tout à l'heure. It means see you later, and is used when you're saying goodbye but will meet again later the same day. Practice it now. À tout à l'heure. À tout à l'heure. Moving on we have à plus tard. It means see you later. We use it when leaving someone and intending to meet again, but without specifying exactly when. Say it with me. À plus tard. À plus tard. We'll continue with bonne journée. It means have a good day. It is used when you say goodbye in the morning or early afternoon. Pronounce it with me. Bonne journée. Bonne journée. Following that we have bon après-midi. It means have a good afternoon, and it's used when you're leaving someone between 12 p.m. and 6 p.m. Practice saying it. Bon après-midi. Bon après-midi. Continuing with bonne soirée. It means have a good evening, and it's used when you leave someone in the evening. Say it with me. Bonne soirée. Bonne soirée. Next is bonne nuit. It means good night, and it's used when someone is going to bed or when you're saying goodbye late in the evening. Let's pronounce it. Bonne nuit. Bonne nuit. The next one is bon week-end. It means have a good weekend, and it's used when you say goodbye to someone before the weekend, usually on Friday. Repeat after me. Bon weekend. Bon weekend. Moving on we have à lundi. It means see you on Monday. It's used when you're saying goodbye and you'll see the person again on Monday. Let's say it together. À lundi. À lundi. Next in line is à plus. It means see ya. It is used in informal situations to say see you later. Practice saying this. À plus. À plus. The last one on our list is ciao. It means bye. It is originally an Italian greeting, but in France people also sometimes use it in a friendly and fun way to say goodbye. Say it after me. Ciao. Ciao. Awesome work on greetings and farewells. Keep practicing. Let's dive into a quiz to help you remember what you have learned today, and more importantly, to understand when to use each one. I'll give you a short situation, and you choose the best French greeting or farewell. Ready? You enter your office. Bonjour. You see a friend on the street. Salut. You say hi to your best friend. Coucou. You leave a meeting at work. Au revoir. You greet your teacher in class. Bonjour. You ask, what's new? Quoi de neuf? You say bye to a friend you'll see soon. À bientôt. You pick up the phone. Allô. You say goodbye like in Italian. Ciao. You finish a morning meeting. Bonne journée. You leave a dinner party. Bonne soirée. You ask how a friend is. Comment ça va? You tell your child good night as they get into bed. Bonne nuit. You tell a friend see you tomorrow. À demain. You tell a coworker, see you Monday. À lundi. Before we go ahead, if you're finding this video helpful and useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fun lessons. Alright, next question. You want to know if your friend is okay. Comment ça va? You leave school and say bye to your teacher. Au revoir. You greet your teacher politely. Comment allez-vous? You end a casual chat with a classmate. À plus tard. You talk to your boss. Comment allez-vous? You leave your office but will return in 30 minutes. À tout à l'heure. You ask your friend if he is okay. Tu vas bien? You ask formally, are you okay? Vous allez bien? You meet a close friend casually. Ça va? You say have a nice afternoon. Bon après-midi. You arrive at a restaurant at 7:30 p.m. Bonsoir. Well done. You did it. Now it's your turn. Which French hello or goodbye would you say to me right now? While you're watching this video, drop your answer in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe, and keep practicing your French. Thanks for watching. À bientôt.